Guys, it's Sid Tech here. Now I'm just doing my Demon Eye install on my headlights. So basically I have a heat gun and I have pulled off the case just by slowly heating up around the perimeter and then slowly prying it, making sure I do all the clips first. I have my Demon Eye installed on this one, just under here. So I'll take that outside and show you what it will look like once it is fully installed properly. So this is only temporary at this stage until I finish doing the other one, and then we'll do the whole lot. So it's not the best lighting at the moment, as you can see, and then I can change colour, green and red. And flashing. And I also can slow it down and speed it back up from inside the car. So yeah, that will be my Demon lights. Just going to put the casing back on it now. Which is the same thing, just heating it up and sticking it all back down together, and then repeat on the other side. So basically all there is a plastic case under here. I took that off, took the 4 bolts off that are holding the light into the car, and then heated it up. The problem, I hooked it up with a bit too much power into this. So now I'm going to have to solder some wire onto this, and also because these wires didn't come with a long enough feed to get from one side to the other, I am going to chop through one of them about there and going to solder some more wire to make it long enough. So I have my soldering iron, my solder, I have my ratchet with 10mm socket on it to take out my headlights. So there is 1 bolt here, 1 bolt under here. I'm not sure if you can see that. There's probably better if you can see that one. And then there is 1 here and 1 here. And then I'll pull the headlight out, and there's also 1 on the top just up here. Take that out. Reset the light, which is actually already inside, reset that, and then hopefully I don't have to take off the clear case off the light again, but if I have to, begin the hot air gun out and heating it up and pulling it off, but hopefully I don't have to do that, and then setting up my wires. So I will get started in pulling those out and show you when I get back to the table. Yeah, hi guys, this is just a quick voiceover of what I'm doing in the video. Basically I'm just extending 8 wires, soldering them colour to colour to make sure that it all works properly, by about 1 metre I think it was roughly, and also adding a little piece about maybe 30 centimetres to the power and earth, so I could get it to go across my car, because the original lights didn't make it from one light to the other. So here's me soldering the wires.
Outside there's a huge mess. You caught me getting undressed. I hope someone got my SOS. How do we get out of there? Outside I don't like this kind. We're falling over fragments left in my mind. What happened to you? I've been left behind. How do I know if I've been hypnotized? Caught in the middle of what we had, and just to pretend, 'cause you never get it back. 'Cause you said no, 'cause you said no. Do you want to? I hope someone got my SOS. How do we get out of there? Outside, I don't like this kind. We're falling out of fragments left in my mind. What
So guys, I have done my earth wire and my power wire, soldered them together. Just added a little bit extra on it. I've done all 8 joins on my wires, making sure that red goes to red. That is important. So I'll show you what I've done on the car side of things. I have run ACC wire around the back ground. I'm just going to mount the control box to the side of here. To my ACC I've put a chop block on, so that is what my power wire is going to go to my RC that plugs in. So that will be there, and then my other cables will run over here, through here, and to this little wire just here. So now it's time to pull out the headlights, reset the lights, and give it all a go. Alright, moment of truth, guys. Hopefully you can see that. It's all wired up now. Okay, I have one. As you can see. Okay guys, I found out the problem. What it was is in these little clips just here, the black wire there had popped out of its connection a wee bit. I tried to pop it back in, I got a little bit of light, but it was pretty dull compared to the rest. So what I've done is I've just pulled it out completely and just bypassing it, and I'm now going to solder it together and then put it in. So yeah, hopefully it all goes well and I get decent light off it. But apart from that, she's all working. So guys, fingers crossed, push the button, bang, here we go. Program them, flashing. My dimming light install. Cheers for watching.